Thomas is an agent at Contextual Coffee and is going through his inbox. He sees a case from customer Olivia Wilson. Thomas has helped Olivia in the past and knows she is the owner of Fourth Coffee and notices in the description that there is a grand opening for their new latte this weekend. Thomas also sees in the description that while the Smart Brew 3400 is still brewing coffee, the steam wand is getting loose, concerning Olivia for the grand opening. Thomas knows that for this Smart Brew, there is a very new troubleshooting protocol for 2023, but he's not sure of the steps. So he wants to see if there is someone he can reach out to. He starts a new connected chat and sees the list of agents that have recently resolved a similar case. Thomas chooses Henry because he has the highest confidence match. He kicks off a chat with all of the details of the case ready to be shared with Henry without any typing needed from Thomas. While waiting for Henry to respond, Thomas gets an incoming call from Olivia. Thanks to preferred agent routing, she was matched with him. She informs him that the Smart Brew is no longer brewing coffee at all. Knowing the grand opening is just 2 days away, Thomas changes the priority of the case. Henry, the expert, not only sees all of the details of the case Thomas shared with him, but is also notified the case has been escalated. He informs Thomas of the steps he is aware of. Thomas then sends Olivia an SMS with the details of how to fix it. Thomas then resolves the case. And Henry also knows that the steps he shared worked. The next day, Thomas is unfortunately out sick. Haley, another agent at Contextual Coffee, gets a high priority case from Olivia. Because of some step before, the machine will no longer grind the coffee. Haley looks through the recent cases and pulls up the one that Thomas resolved yesterday. She looks at the timeline and sees the entire Customer 360 view and sees the chat with Thomas and Henry. She opens the chat and reads through the entire chat exchange and realizes that in following the steps shared by Henry, it could have dislodged the grinder. She promptly sends an SMS to Olivia, telling her how to fix the grinder. Haley then resolves the case and responds in the chat with Thomas and Henry, letting them know of this for future reference. Happy customer and happy agent, with collaboration made easier than ever before, making it easy to democratize knowledge sharing and upskill agents.